sense of humor. Some people have one, some people don't. Some people think they do, but really don't. But everybody likes to be around someone who's funny. What's up, gentlemen? So we talk a lot about sense of humor and the fact that if you have one, a good one, it's like a superpower. It's magnetic. People want to be around you. The fastest way to impress a woman is to what? Exactly, drop one of these on her ass. What? Did it work? Did you drop me one of these? If so, konnichiwa. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to help you improve your sense of humor. Today, I'm going over 7 ways to be funnier. The tricky thing about being funny and having a sense of humor is that sense of humors are very personal, right? What I think is funny is not necessarily what you think is funny. Funny is subjective, right? Which means that it's not exactly like super easy to be like, yo, say this or yo, do this. But there are some things that you can do to help develop and improve your sense of humor and be funnier, starting with number 1. Don't overdo it. That is the first tip and the thing that you need to understand, because unfortunately, there are some dudes that try so hard to make people laugh, so hard to always be like super funny. Don't be zany. Nobody thinks the zany guy is funny, the guy who's always like over the top. Less is more. This is the takeaway. Remember, it is more important to understand timing and be able to read the room, which is number 2. Reading a room boils down to a feel, right? You gotta feel out the person that you're actually talking to or engaging with. Now, if it's the first time you're meeting them, the first time you're engaging in a situation or with a group of people, guys, ease into it. Take it slow. Talk, casual conversations. See how they're feeling, and then you can start to drop little funny jokes or talk about memes or whatever you need to do. Because if you just come in and be like, yo, Brian, hey, good to meet you. Hey, did you hear the joke about the priest with the boy and the cat in communion? Oh my God, it kills every time, right? And you look and you're like, man, he didn't laugh. And then later you find out from Janice that your boy Brian was actually like a deacon in his church. The third way to improve your sense of humor is to look at funnier shit, whether or not that's watching comedies or funny meme like Instagram accounts. I'm telling you, memes, in my opinion, are like the funniest thing. The reason why memes are so great in helping you develop your sense of humor is because they show you regular everyday life and the humor in it, right? The more you look at it, the more you see it, the more you start to put the pieces together and actually be able to do it for yourself, which is actually the 4th way to improve your sense of humor, which is look for humor in everyday situations. One more thing about memes. The other reason why memes are amazing is that you can share them. And if you share them with that spicy senorita, even if you personally are not like super funny, she'll get it and be like, oh my God, that's hilarious, hopefully. And then she'll associate the humor being funny with you who sent it to her, which means she's gonna think you're funny, which is a win. And we're back to number 4, which is look for humor in everyday situations. Once you start looking and paying attention, you're gonna realize that people are funny. Not like intentionally, but they are funny. Once you start looking for the humor in situations, guys, you're gonna see it. Like, I personally think it's hilarious that anybody would spend $400 on a fragrance. Like seriously, you must be stupid. Why would you spend $400 when you could grab Rebel today? Did you see what I did there? What's that? Sell you a... No, I'm not trying to sell you a fragrance, even though it's amazing. There's a link and a code down below. What I'm trying to do is highlight an everyday, regular situation. People pay $400 for Creative Ventus, when in reality, all you need to do is actually hit the link down below and buy Rebel for under $50. This is funny. It's also funny how awesome this smells. We also have recently launched Villain, the newest addition to the Pete and Pedro fragrance house, and this stuff is a game changer. Guys, if you like something a little darker, a little earthier, you are gonna love Villain. The inspiration fragrance was Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. This stuff, oh God. It is earthy, it is sexy, it is smoky, it is amazing. Not only does it smell amazing, this stuff literally lasts for days when you spray it on. It is a powerful fragrance. It just smells so good. You guys are gonna love this, but if you're not ready to pull the trigger on a big bottle, no problem, because we sell deluxe sample sizes in each of the 4 Pete and Pedro fragrances. We got Rebel, we got King, we got Hero, and now we even sell Villain in the deluxe sample size. Guys, I'm gonna link to everything down below. There's also gonna be a very limited discount code. Guys, I'm gonna link to all 4 of the incredible Pete and Pedro fragrances down below. And remember, if you buy them as a set, you're gonna save some cash, but with that discount code, it gets even more crazy affordable to build a fragrance collection. All 4 of these fragrances are absolute guaranteed game changers and compliment killers. Guys, hit the link down below. And like I said, we're also going to link to the deluxe sample. So if you're not ready to pull the trigger on a big bottle, you can use that discount code to grab them. Guys, hit the link down below and start smelling amazing today. The 5th way to improve your sense of humor is to start reading YouTube comments. I'm serious. YouTube comments, as you know, I'm telling you, they're the funniest thing ever. It's so funny, but I'll scroll through my comments a lot of times and I laugh my ass off. You guys are so funny. Then I'll go to other videos, read the comments. Guys, there is more comic gold in the YouTube comment section. It doesn't matter the video. It's amazing. And by you getting in there and reading and figuring out what's funny and just sort of being immersed in it, it's going to help you sharpen your sense of humor sword. Unless you're actually making fun of something that the person or the YouTuber can't change, which is actually the 6th thing that you should never do. Never joke about something that people can't change. It's not funny. It's mean-spirited, honestly. And so you got to remember that it's okay to poke fun at yourself, but other people, you got to be careful because there's a fine line between being playful and fun. Mean isn't funny. Unfortunately, hiding behind a keyboard oftentimes allows people or makes them feel more comfortable being and saying some really horrible things. Now, some people may laugh because, hey, it's funny, or people may jump on the bandwagon, but I want you to be better than that. You're better than that, except you, Brian. You're not better than that, unfortunately. Here's the deal, gentlemen, do not feed the fire. Don't feed the flame. Don't feed the trolls. And last but certainly not least, the 7th thing that will help you improve your sense of humor is to be subtle with your timing and delivery. Subtle humor is the funniest, in my opinion. And the beautiful thing about it is that you don't need to have some big build-up or some punchline or joke. It's simple, subtle humor. Facial expressions, little words like, really? Okay, interesting. Being subtle with your humor, in my opinion, is amazing. Facial expressions, noises, little weird, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But it also works in text messages. Emojis are amazing. I'm not going to explain how emojis work, but I'm telling you, stuff like that you can practice. And that is sort of the takeaway. Guys, it's about immersing yourself in humor, paying attention, because if you start looking around, you're going to realize that the world that we live in is funny. Find the humor in it, but don't overdo it. And if you ever have to explain a joke, it's probably not that funny, or the person you're telling it to doesn't have the same sense of humor that you do. Gentlemen, you're amazing. I think you're funny. If you think I'm sometimes a little bit amusing, drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, you're occasionally funny. Exactly. Bye.